Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for a cell phone case, I definitely recommend this one from Elago. A few of the things that especially stand out to me, first of all, it is nice and grippy. So this case is made of liquid silicone, so it just gives you a nice grip. It's not slipping around, so that's really nice. It helps prevent drops. This one is the midnight green color. It has a nice snug fit, so this is going on my iPhone 12. I never feel like it's gonna fall out of the case. It has raised edges around both the camera and the front side. We have dropped it many times. I do not recommend that, but it's held up really great and my phone has never cracked. The inside has a soft interior, so it's not scratching up the phone itself, and it's compatible with wireless charging. So personally, this has everything that I look for in a case. It is nice and sleek. It's not bulky whatsoever, so it fits easily in my pocket or my purse. So I highly recommend it to you, and that's my point of view.